Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text in your video. Let's go. Now always follow my touch, okay? So whatever I touch, that's where you follow, okay? The blue dot on your screen right now, that is where you should be, okay? Now let's play an intro that I have here. Okay, that is, we could be doing that. And I will show you how to do that later on, okay? But let's start with something simple so we can all slowly I'll build you up, okay? Just go into a gym, okay? I can't build you up that fast, okay? So in your timeline, make sure you finish all your editing, okay? Do your editing first, all the cut, all that stuff, okay? Then, for example, you want to add a title, okay? I've got this clip here. So your title, make sure you have a big screen, okay? That navigation interface right there, so you move it out, so you know. To access to the text menu, go up here, up there, and there's titles, okay? Further file, all that stuff, go to titles, and you access to this screen here. Make it bigger. Now there's so many in here, right, you can play with. But for our title, for now, we just keep it plain white, okay? So what I do, plain white, drag it on. This side here, boom, and it's done. Okay, I'll do it again, undo, from there, drag it on to the timeline, on top of the clip that you wanted to do. And that, my friend, is how you add text. Okay, but it's very, very low, right? Okay, you want to double click on it, double tap, and we'll set to the, you can edit it. Make sure it's in the text, okay? It's on bottom here. At the bottom, they say T. Make sure you have that on, otherwise you can't access to the title, okay? So change the title, double tap again, say time lapse. Whatever your name is, or your title, your thing, doesn't matter, okay? You get the process going. To understand the process is more important. Okay, now you can here go to change the font. So audio empty right there. Now let me change to Farah. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, to change the size here. Okay, down there we do. Change the color. Boom, right here. Let's do that again. Color, face color. Tap on that, and you can use the any color you want here, or you use the eyedropper. Boom, use that color. Bam. Okay. Or you use one of the preset up here, the style up here. Okay, so I use this yellow and blue. That will do. Change the width a little bit, color shadow. Okay, so change the width. That will do me. And when you're done, just click out. Okay, and if you don't know what all this screen is, there's a up here. There's a question mark button icon. Click on that, and you know what's in this all this stuff mean. Okay. So if you have any problem, go to the last one, okay? Simple. And click it out. You're in. Display. Okay. Now that's not too bad, right? But we want to. It's too simple right now. But we want to animate it, make it some movement. Otherwise, it just stand there on the screen, right? So what we want to do is we want to animate it. Okay, to animate it, similar process. Make sure you double tap on it, select it. The other way you can do is go down here at the bottom. There's the edit clip with the pen icon. Tap on that and you access this same menu. Okay, double tap on that. We don't go from there. Okay, now we want to animate it, right? Go here to frame and fit at the bottom here. Frame and fit. And now you can animate your title. Similar process, this button here, that's your animation button. Okay, so click on that and we'll create a keyframe for you right here, but you don't want to start in the middle of the clip, right? So what you do, you undo it, drag the playhead is this one here, all the way to the beginning first. You want to start at the beginning and you want to adjust your title. Okay, so the size, let's go there. Yeah, that will do me. Then you click on the button, the animation button right here. It will turn blue. Okay, see that? Go back. Okay. Now, if we haven't done any animation, it will still play the same. So let me scroll through like there, right? Nothing will happen. What you want to do is have your keyframe on, then move the playhead to whatever you want. Boom, right there. And you have to tell Lumafusion what you want to do with your animation. Okay, you want to make it bigger, like that, just simple like that, right? Okay, from here, beginning, and I want to make it bigger. Animation, okay? Let's play it.
Train on platform 2 goes to Liverpool.
Okay, see that? It slowly zoom out, make it bigger. And that's how simple you can play with animation with this keyframe here. As you can see from the beginning, there's so much you can do once you get to know this process, okay? But for now, just want to learn that first. Simple keyframing in animation for your title. Simple one, just a big, slow zoom out like that. No crazy stuff, anyone can do it. Try it out for yourself. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think the tip that I just gave you give you something to work with. Okay, nice to meet you, and keep our relationship going by subscribing to my channel. Okay, adding lower third is really a similar process. Okay, so you go to your title right here, line up. Okay, just pick a custom one here. We have a custom one first here. So you go to say this one here. Simple lower blue lower third. Okay, so you drag it on. Boom. Okay, right now it's default to 4 seconds, but the way you change that is through this here. Okay, the question mark title. So it's already pre-made title for 4 seconds. So you can change that to say 5. Okay. Click out. Delete this one first. And change one, and now it's 5 seconds. That's how simple it is to change your settings. But you can always move this one up and down, so you can change however you want it. Let's go back to 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds. Now, similar process to the previous one. So there's more text. So it's one text. Okay, time lapse. You can delete it. Your text here, you can delete down here. You don't like that on the title, you can change it, delete it, boom, delete it, boom. Okay, now you have nothing. Okay, Yeah, okay, so then you can add in here, there's a plus sign, add text. So you put your text over here, in, then you say time lapse lower third. Okay, done, and you're done. Okay, now you have a lower third. That's it. Play back. That's it. But that's still simple, right? What you want to do is animate again. Of course, you can still animate it. Similar process with our title. We can animate it. Just double tap on it. Take your scan screen. Make sure you're in the fit and frame right here. Frame and fit, sorry. Okay. Make sure you tap the playhead. Move the playhead first to the beginning. But what you want to do is, for our lower third, we want to start at the outside of the screen on the left hand side and we move in. So what I want to do, tap on that. So right now at the beginning right here, right? Our lower third are out of the frame. And at 1 second, so I have half a second, that's roughly 15 frames. Because I'm using a phone to capture this, I want the lower third to move in like that. Okay. Now at 2 seconds, I want to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so increase the size a little bit. That's too much. Just a little bit like that. Okay. Then at 3 seconds, I want to lower a little bit. So now, lower it. Lower back to normal. Then, and right at the end, I want it to move out of the frame. Like that. Okay, now let's play. So right now, see all the keyframes down here we made? And that's the instructions, okay? Basically, keyframes are what we call instructions for Lumafusion to say, hey, make this kind of move. Okay, let's play. Boom. Lower down. Okay. That's it. That's how you do lower third. But to save that coin, because lower third we have multiple spots, right, in our time frame, okay, timeline. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can copy and paste. Okay, so go out here. There, right? Click on that. There's plus sign down here. Okay. Copy that and move out to wherever we want in our timeline. And right now we have another lower third. Okay. The other way is say down here. Just click here. Say copy. And we say move here. Paste, and it will still get you there, lower third. Okay, so that's a few ways you can copy and paste. But the more advanced level, we have a preset. Okay, a preset of that kind of thing, so we can, like that project, we can move it to another project that we have. Okay, so we still use the same lower third. So how we do it is double tap on that. You say at the bottom here, in the middle here, there's a star and a plus sign. Okay, click on that. Say preset. Say lower third. Blue zoom, something like that, so you know where it is. Done. Okay, right now say lower third, zoom, right there, right? Now click it out. Next time I want to do a simple That one's another timeline right there, right? Double tap and go to my preset up here on the stars. Okay, go to it, boom, and we'll animate it for me straight away. Okay, see the keyframe down here? It's already made already. So display. You have to change a little bit, right? Because ours was 4 seconds, this was 5 seconds, so we want to change that a little bit. Up there. Okay, play it again. Okay. Now, as I promised at the beginning, you want to do an advanced kind of tutorial on how to do a cool intro like I did. I showed you at the beginning, right? Let me show you that. This one's more for more advanced user, okay? So let's go back to the beginning. Okay. Okay, so it bounces around, okay? Let me delete that. Okay, delete, trash can, and we start from the beginning, okay? Okay, plain text, boom, maybe 7 seconds, so it's to the clip, double tap. Okay, now let me restart again, okay? I have to reset everything to make it work for you guys, okay? Okay. Now that's roughly my thing, right? That's my just a normal clip. Okay. What I want to do to add a title, a cool, just any title, boom, on top, expand it out. Double tap it up, make sure you click on the thing, time lapse. Done. Okay. Make it cool, time lapse of that. Something simple, expand a little bit, increase the size. Text size, there you go. Something simple like that, right? Okay, now display. Okay, just like before, nothing happened, okay? Now, as you know, by now, you've got to do some animation to this, otherwise it will not work, okay? So what you want to do an animation, okay? Okay, so, but to make the cool thing at the beginning, we have to do something differently, okay? We just can't do an animation alone. We have to do a blend mode, okay? Let me introduce you to blend mode. Let me open it up first. Layers, imagine layers, okay? Right now we work only in 2 layers. To hide thing, we have to go, the top layer will show and the bottom layer will not show. Okay, that's layers. And the way we blend those 2 layers together, okay, can make a difference in how our animation or our effects will change, okay? Let me show you the blending process in Lumafusion. Okay, right now we just have 1 layer, okay? Just a text layer, nothing more. What we want to do first to make this work is move this clip here on top. So right now it's on top. So where's our text? It's gone. Okay. Now what we want to do, double tap on that and go down here to our blending. Right now it say normal, right? But click on here and the blend mode open up, and this is where all the magic happen. Now there's a lot to learn from here, but there's only 4 that we need to know and we use most of the time. The first one is multiply. Okay, multiply, we use that a lot. What it does is it's darken the blend mode. Okay, so right now you see click on that, it's actually darken the thing, and we have our time lapse show up. Okay. The other one is green. What I does, look up, it's lighten. Okay, so overlay. This is another one we commonly use, and it gives you a soft white. And there's so much around here, but that's the and color. Okay, well, that's the main thing that we want to blend. Okay, so there's a lot of things. Once you've done that, you just go here and just play with whatever works. Okay. Okay, let's go on, click on that and see what works. That's very cool, right? Divide. Okay, it still show up. Okay. Click out. Let's play. Okay. It still show very cool, right? But we want to animate a little bit our title. So what I want to do, make sure you click on our title, the first layer here. Okay. Make sure in frame and here, frame and fit, otherwise can't do much. Click on the our thumbnail and just start from here, or start from anywhere. What I want to do is make it move around randomly if you want to. Very now and then, randomly. Make it bounce around the screen. And close to the end, we want somewhere close to what we want to do to show people what we want to do. Right there, somewhere right there. There. Okay, let's play. So all the keyframes we make are down here. See that? And Lumafusion, we're gonna make a animation for us. Let's play. How cool is that? Okay. And again, if you like what you see, just make a preset right here. Make a preset out of it, and you're good to go. Okay. Let's play. Okay. Very cool, right? The layer, understand layer, and blending and animation, you can do a lot with just the basics in this Lumafusion 3.0. Okay. How creative can you get? Let me show you. Okay. The one here as well, not a title I have. No music, but you get the idea. Hi, my name is Tittle. Thanks for watching. If you think the content is relevant for you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make similar content like this for you with Lumafusion. I'll see you next time for another video.